In this video, I will explain to you how to calculate the pips. What is the pip on the gold, and so you can understand how to calculate what is the value of one pip by using the gold pip calculator, which you can see on the left side. The link will be also below in the description, so you can use it or if you would like to calculate the pip value. Now, on the gold, where you are inside your trading platform, in my case, I will use MetaTrader 4, which you can see here on the right side with the chart of a gold on a 1 hour time frame. Here you can see that the current market price is 2345.57 and the price is going down. Now you can see that the price is expressed in the 2 decimal points. 2 decimal points represents the price change, but the smallest price change on the gold, which is currently where you can see where the crosshair is currently, it is 2343.66. So the number 6 at the second decimal point is the smallest price change in the price of a gold against US dollar. So the current market price for the gold is $2343.66, which means the number 6 at the second decimal point is the number of cents. So it is 6 cents. If I go down, you can see that the current price is $2343.40. Which means at the second place is 0 cents. So when the price change, for example, from this price to, for example, to this one, which is 2341.05, we can see that the price has changed by how much? It is around, let me check it, it is $235, right? Because 2343.40 minus 2341.05, sorry, it is the difference is $2.35. I made a mistake, sorry, because I have said the change in the number of pips. The number of pips that has been changed is 235. Why? Because the smallest price change in the price of a symbol is the number of one pip. So when the price changes from 2343.41 to 2343. For example, let's 01, it will be a change by 39 cents. In this case, with the gold against US dollar, is the change by 39 pips. So remember, the smallest price change in the gold against US dollar inside the MetaTrader 4, it is with that 2 decimal points, it will be the last digit number in this case. Remember that many brokers usually use the same rounding like in this example with 2 decimal points, which means the last number, the second decimal point, represents the number of pip and also the change by pip. So how do you calculate the value of a 1 pip? This is something that needs to be verified first with any broker that you're using. First of all, you need to know how much units is one volume or one lot size or one contract. In this case, for the gold against US dollar, you need to go inside the market watch, go to the gold symbol, right mouse click and click specification. Inside you will have a contract size that tells you how much units is the one lot, which means here inside the calculator you need to put what is the volume or the lot size. So in my case, for the gold, 100 units, which means the unit inside the price are the smallest price change, in this case the second decimal point. So when the price changes from this one to this one, you can see the current price change is from 2345.50. I have moved down to 2344.00, which is a change by 150 units, and that means 150 pips. So this is the way how you can easily calculate the number of pips on a gold. So in my case, if I have 150 number of pips, which is also the number of units, this means that my trade has been changed by 1.5 lots, if I can say it like that, because this is the volume or the lot size. So the price has changed, or the change in the symbol is by 1.5 lots. So if I would like to calculate what is the price of a 1 pip that has changed. And in my case, the price was changing by 150. This means if I put here the units, which is the trade size, and I put the pip size, which is the second decimal point for the pip, click calculate, and you get that when the price changes by 100 units, and that means 100 pips, the price on the market, if I open the trade, will change by $1. This is the case how you calculate the value of a 1 pip. So if the price changed by 150 pips, this will be changed by $150. Remember that the smallest price change in the gold, which is the second decimal points, represents the price change, and also the value of a 1 pip will be $1. If you change this one to number of units to 1,000, this will be represents that 1 pip will be equal to $10. So if the price changed by 150 units and also 150 pips, this will be equal to $1,500. So this is the way how you calculate the number of pips on a gold. Remember that if you have a price that is shown on the chart with the 3 decimal points, this will represent that the third decimal point will be a pipette, which is 10 times less than a pip. So this is all for this lesson. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you next time, and happy trading.